Hey Square Bears, it is me, Cici Buttercups. Yes, I'm a big girl now. Okay, it's been a while, I know, but we got something for y'all. I'm going to be showing you how I flick out my hair. So you see this see these curly little things? Girl, I did that. So, I was looking through Instagram looking for my new hairstyle because it is summertime, okay? We need to be slayed, okay? We can't do this little slick backs, ponytails. It's gonna puff up. Okay, I need something that's secure. So, I was scrolling through Instagram. I saw this little cute picture of braids. So I was like, oh my, can I get this? And of course she did with no effort. But I thought it was missing something. Cici Spice. So I decided to add my little twist to it by adding these loose little strands of hair and crocheting them through my hair, and I'll show you how I do that. And then of course I have to do my edges. Okay, see that? Slick. And we use the new edge control. I'm not sure how I feel about it right now, but I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Okay, it's not doing me wrong, not too wrong. But yeah, if you want to learn how I do this, go ahead and keep on watching. Period. Let's go.
You ain't no gangster girl.
So we're gonna use a lot of body. Girl, focus on me. Hey, can you focus on me? Okay, and yeah, it's the coconut oil and shea oils. I'm gonna put this in my hand. Put this in my hand. Run all through the loose hair so it won't get that tangled.
Girl, is this supposed to be foam or oh my?
Do it throughout the loose hair so it won't get tangled, because some of you girls just don't know how to do it. So yeah, you just put it through. And now we're going to go with our peppermint tea tree oil. I put that through my scalp. This is for all the ladies. I mean, it can be for everybody, but it's mostly for all the ladies with dandruff or are prone to dandruff like me. Okay, so split your hair in the middle. Ooh, volume. I'm gonna put it in my hand.
That's the worst sprayer ever, but
why?
Because it should spritz out.
Oh, yeah. So you want to just take that and put it in the middle, you know. Ooh, this is side.
That's real. Girl. Child.
Don't want my edges. We gonna get to those sus. Okay, so now my mom likes to be adventurous. Okay, she doesn't like to stick to one thing. So better be the stuff. If it's not the stuff, then we're gonna fight. Anyway, we're trying this new edge control. It's the Play and Stay. Ooh, this is my Eco too. The Play and Stay 24 hours, 48 hour control, edge control.
Oh, see, Ash is a hater.
And then it's by Eco. It works. Okay, so this is what it look like. Look, it would look nice. So this is what it looks like. And you know, I used to use the comb, but I thought I need more wispiness, so I'm using the Diane edge control little brush.
The little brush. There you go. The little brush.
And yeah, so ooh, edges looking a little hit, but it's okay. Ooh. So we're gonna brush it down. Ooh,
that's a lot. That is a lot.
A lot of edges.
That's grown woman. That's grown woman hair. That's not no baby hair.
I didn't say it was. It's edges.
Okay,
girl. Perimeter. So let's go for the swoop.
Is that enough product?
So baby. So baby. Ooh.
How do you know how much product to use on each section?
You just can feel it. Like, you can feel if it's heavy because your head will be going like this.
Oh.
Now for this side. So I use about this much. Ooh, good focus. Yeah, so it's not a lot. And I just put it on my edges for each little section. Ooh, shit. Girl, it's all. Girl, this is really good. And you just swoop it. Swoop. Ooh, so you don't have to do a little curly Q because I like to keep it a little classy. Okay, I don't like the little dramatics and stuff. But you know, it's up to you. This is just my style. So you just, ooh. Ooh, hold on, look at the difference. Bald, swoop, bald. Swoop. Is this coming up?
It is. You put so little on there.
No, I didn't, Mama.
It was very little. I was
not little.
That's what made me ask the question. But it might be coming up. Sometimes you gotta. It is coming up. Yeah, sometimes you gotta lay it, baby. Yeah, right from the root.
Are you also going to slip down your armpit there?
Go, please. Swoop and then swoop. See, it's so easy as 1, 2, 3. Look, 1, 2, and look, 3. I use the residue just for that.
And get your mustache.
What? What's this like?